Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. Matagal na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So ngayong araw gusto kong i-share ang mga sagot at tanong kung bakit hindi kayo mahal ng taong mahal nyo. Char! Kung yung mga sagot at tanong during final interview on board cruise ships. And guys, please keep on watching. The number one question is, tell me something about yourself. And my answer is, hi, good afternoon. My name is Argie Camino. I'm 25 years of age. I'm graduated of Hotel and Restaurant Services Technology at West Visayas State University. I've worked in cruise ships since 2018 as stateroom steward. I've learned a lot of things working on board cruise ship, especially the standard procedure and techniques in housekeeping department. I am a smart working person, honest, loyal, deeply committed, and dedicated to my work, and to become a productive and competent individual reaching the goal and objective of the company with inspiring performance. The number two question is, what are the three bucket system? And my answer is, the three bucket system are wash, rinse, and sanitize. For the wash, we have soapy warm water, and for the rinse, we have hot water, and for the sanitize, we need to put 100 to 200 ppm chlorine. The number three question is, what is your strength? And my answer is, I think my key strength is an ability to organize my assignment or task according to priority. The number four question is, what is your weaknesses? You know, sir, I'm a very creative person. I attempt to come up with many kinds of ideas, and when I get these ideas, I'm very much excited to share it with my colleagues and my supervisor. And over the years, I realized these ideas is good and sometimes not much good. And recently, I've been doing reading, research, learn some techniques, and of course, I'm very much open and coached by you. The number five question is, why I should hire you? And my answer is, actually, sir, I do have 4 years work experience in cruise line industry. The reason why I apply for this position, because my strength match perfectly. I am good managing multitask. I'm very detail oriented, and I organize my time very efficiently. Yes, many people have these qualities, but for me, I have passion for this industry because my optimistic personality, my education, my background, and my strength shows that I can do this job. Thank you for watching for my video. Sana may natutunan kayo, and sa may mga taong mangarap lang kayo hanggang maabot yung pangarap nyo, especially sa mga magbabarko ngayon. And I hope and I pray for our inspiring seafarer na makasampa rin sila on board, and yan, magtiyaga lang tayo para sa ating pangarap. See you on board, and bye!